Good morning, students. Okay, this is the class, continuous class for the previous class. Problems. Here we will solve the problems based on the sum and differences, okay, of the trigonometric function cos x plus y, sin x plus y, tan x plus y, cot x plus y, right? Whatever it may be. Okay. Let us focus on the. We have the six functions, six trigonometric functions, and remaining forms of the that also, and another one is there. Okay, the maximum and minimum value of the. Okay, sir. And this also remember a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, this is oftenly asked in the competitive exams. Okay, for the which one? NDA, UPSC, CDS. Some competitive exams for the job oriented or entrance exams. Instead of telling the competitive entrance competitive exams, they use often they use. So this is okay, sir, minus a. Okay, sir, is minus a is a square plus b square less than or equal to a cos x plus b sin x less than or equal to positive. Okay, sir, a square plus b square. Formula is there. Derivation already I have done in the previous class. This here only. Okay, just I am giving the formula here. That is the called minimum value, negative na, lowest value na. This is the called minimum value, and this is the called maximum value. Depends on the constants a and b. Okay, and okay, let's solve the questions based on the books. Okay, question number 1 is prove the following. Question number 1 is prove the following: 3 sin of pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 5 pi by 6 cot 5 by 4 cot 5 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the concept. Solution is here. Solution. Okay, writing as it is 3 into sin pi by 6 sec. Okay, sec, you can write now, you can write. Okay, sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin I am writing. Okay, then this is how you should write. Okay, pi minus 5 pi by 6. How can we write pi minus pi by 6? You can write pi minus pi by 6. 6 5 minus 5 divided by 6. Okay, cot pi by 4. Okay, LHS. Let's take the LHS is equal to. Yes, sir. So this is okay 3 into sin pi by 6. Okay, then I should write sin pi by 6. Okay, sin pi by 6 means sin 30, is it? Yes, sir. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here I am writing sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. And sec. Okay, sir. Cos pi by 3 is cos pi by 3 is 60. Okay, sir. This is 1 by 2. This is sec is okay, sir. Sec pi by 3 means is equal to 2 minus 4 pi minus 6. Okay, sir. Pi minus pi by 6. Second quadrant becomes Sign is positive, so this becomes minus 4 into sine 1 by 2 value, again cot 4. Okay, sir. Tan pi by 4 is tan pi by 5 4 1, cot pi 4 is equal to 1. Is it? Minus 4 1 by 2. Okay, sir. This gives 2 get cancelled. Okay, sir. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Is it? This is, so here you will get 3 minus 2, this gives to 1 is equal to R H S. Okay, sir. You should remember this, some trigonometric identities, values at different angles. Different angles. Next question is, okay students, next question is cos pi plus x and cos minus x, sin pi minus x and cos of pi by 2 plus x. Have to prove that cos is equal to cot square. Okay. Here you remember, okay, sin, okay sir, sin, okay sir, x plus, okay, is it na, x plus, okay sir, pi plus or minus x gives sin plus or minus x gives minus r plus cos x. Is it true? Let's check, okay. Pi plus x, sin pi plus x means third quadrant tan is positive, means sin and cosine are negative. Okay, sin and cosine are negative. Let's check the, okay sir, sin pi minus x, sin x and sin x. This now gives a co-function, same function. Okay, it gives same function, sin x. Okay, pi plus x. Okay, let us see sir, here instead of telling, okay sir, this is the pi, okay sir, this is the x, this is the x, and this becomes pi plus x. Okay sir, this is the third quadrant, so only tan is positive, means sin and cosine are negative. Sin and cos are negative. Okay, for plus you will get negative. Okay, minus pi minus x. Okay sir, okay, negative pi minus x, this is a pi. Okay sir, okay, this is x, this is pi minus x. Okay, this is pi minus x, this is second quadrant, sign is positive here, so you will get plus. Okay sir, for negative you will get plus, for positive sin pi minus x is sin x, pi plus x. Okay sir, pi plus x you will get negative sign, pi minus x you will get plus sign. Yes sir, means sin pi plus x gives minus sin x, sin pi minus x gives plus sin x. Here you cannot see here. Instead of these, remembering these formulas, best thing, okay, so it takes 1 second or 2 seconds. Remember diagram and quadrant. Okay, remember diagram. You can remember the ASTC rule, or okay sir, here A and B are positive, here is minus A and B, and this becomes minus A and minus B, and this becomes my plus A and minus B. Okay sir, let already you know, this is the negative side, this is the positive, this is the positive, this is the negative side. Okay sir, instead of repeating all, only at the odd multiples of pi by 2 sine, okay sir, function becomes co-function. At the even multiples, the multiples of the integer multiples of the at the pi 180 degree, it gives the same function. Okay, let us see the cos pi plus x and sin pi by x. Okay sir, cos pi by x, what it gives. I will take the again diagrammatical I will arrange, okay sir, I will understand it because it gives the exact knowledge. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, this is the pi, this is the x, so this angle is pi plus x. Here tan only positive. Okay, so means sine, cos and minus sine. Okay, you can remember minus b minus a, minus a and minus b here. You can remember that also. A also minus and B also minus. Cos pi plus x will give minus cos x. Answer. Okay. This is equal to, this gives minus cos x. Already you know the value of cos minus x is cos x divided by sin of minus x is positive sin x, cos of pi by 2x. Okay, this is the pi by 2. Okay sir, this is the value pi by 2. Okay, minus a plus b, so here you will get the, okay, minus a. Okay, means you will get minus sine into minus sine of x, because if at the odd multiples cos pi by 2, I am telling the sine of, okay, you can tell, okay sir, 2n plus 1 by 2 plus or minus. Okay, x gives cos x, co-function, function to co-function. Sin is with respect to minus and okay sir, plus, depends on the quadrant. Okay, depends on the quadrant, which quadrant it belongs to. Okay, apply the okay sir, or ASTC formula, or okay sir, I am telling AB. This is the best method I am telling. AB minus AB minus AB and A and minus B. Okay, see for cos pi by 2, this is the pi by 2 plus x. Okay sir, this I am taking. Okay, cos pi by 2, this is the adjacent, this angle, this is the adjacent, yes, sir. So this gives plus b. Okay, how we define cos pi by 2 is here. One thing you should remember, the only positive value you should consider. Okay sir, okay, this is the x, let b, this is the whole is which one sir, pi by 2 plus x. Okay, yes sir, this angle you make you some value, so this is called minus x, Okay, sir. This angle and this angle is same. Here we can't point, sir. Here you cannot get the exact value because if taken this one, it gives only x only. It not gives the pi by 2x because angle is from here. Okay, that's why you have to take this one instead of this one. I have to take this one. This gives pi by 2 minus of minus x. Okay, then apply the cos. So this is the minus b, this is the positive a. Cos of pi by 2 plus x means pi by 2 minus of minus x gives minus b. What is minus b? Minus b is sin x. This, okay, sir. Because angle we are considering almost all for this is as the origin. Only this is the reference line, okay, almost all time with condition to this unit circle. You just take this one, it gives a negative answer, okay. If this is as a, okay, this as a pi by 2x, okay, sir, this you can consider x. Okay, this is minus a, this is b. Okay, cos x becomes, okay, how will take the pi by 2 here? Pi by 2 plus x. Is it possible? If I take a pi by 2 here, from here to here, then how it's possible to define the arc? Okay, that's why they given, okay, if this is x, okay, sir, just consider the, yes sir, it will be clarifying the what is pi by 2x and pi minus x. Okay, sir. Sorry students, okay, it may some time. I am going to clarify you what is the pi x and what is the pi minus x. It may delay, and let's clarify the things here only. Okay, what is the pi by x? Okay, this is the x. Okay, sir. What is the pi by x? This makes the right angle triangle. Okay, so this value gives pi by 2 plus x. Okay, pi by 2 plus x whole angle. Then how will you define the trigonometric function? See, in this curve, okay, in this curve we do not have, okay, let's take this one. Let's take this one. In this curve, okay, in the key also taken. This is the, okay, angle pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x. How it is possible to define? Okay, then okay, this becomes pi minus x. Not pi minus x. This becomes. Okay, this becomes, this angle becomes pi minus pi by 2 plus x. Yes, sir. Pi minus pi by 2 minus x. This becomes 2 pi minus pi divided by 2 minus x. So this becomes pi by 2 minus x. Okay. This becomes pi by 2 minus x, but we want this one only. We want this one. Okay, then this becomes x. Okay, or this becomes pi. pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 plus x, then this is whole gives, okay sir, how to define the pi by 2 plus x, okay, so this is negative, pi by 2 plus x should give, okay, minus x, this is okay, we are getting the correct value, okay there, okay, sorry this continuation, that is true only, I am get confused over here, so all forms are okay, if this is x, then this becomes pi by 2 plus x, not pi by 2x again. Things here, just remember, or should you take the plus and negative, so we should not get confused over here. I am taking the whole board, this is the domain, okay, if I taken this as a angle, okay sir, if I taken this as angle, this becomes, okay sir, pi by 2 minus x, similarly, okay, this becomes minus x, so this becomes pi by 2, whole is pi by 2, minus of this minus x, this gives pi by 2 plus x. Please sir, be careful whenever you are taking this one, okay sir, whenever you are taking this one, positive pi by 2 plus x, you should consider this is, okay sir, this should be minus, and you should consider this quadrant pi by 2 minus x. Let's consider for the pi values, okay, pi minus x, okay, for the pi minus x, what how will get, okay, so then this will give x, is it opposite angles, opposite angles are equal, I am thinking about myself or other, if get anything wrong here, please correct me, and this, okay, gives minus x with respect to this only, okay, and this gives, okay, again this gives pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 plus x, let's say this side here, pi by plus x, okay, pi plus x, where should I see the pi plus x, okay. See, this angle can I write as pi plus x, because see, cos pi plus x, okay, cos pi plus x, this x, okay, this is, okay sir, minus x, this gives minus value, see the cos pi plus x, cos pi plus x, this is the angle pi plus x angle, okay, this angle, okay, okay, this angle, see the, this is the adjacent, gives negative value, negative sin x, negative cos x, okay, this is another, so you can write cos minus x, pi minus x, this only, and this condition is, okay sir, apply for the all, any 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and 7 pi by 2, or multiples of pi by 2, and this formula applies to the, okay sir, see here, I am taking this one is, consider this angle, okay, sin pi, minus x gives which one? This is the positive b gives sin x. Okay, sin pi plus x. Okay, sir. Sin pi plus x. This is the sin pi plus x. Sin pi plus x. Opposite angle is minus b. Okay, sir. This is minus b gives minus b minus sin x. Okay, to understand the okay, sir, sign of the functions in various quadrants, first quadrants. Okay, sir. This is the important diagram as of my knowledge to understand this one. If you may be complex, if you understand this one, everything will be done easily. Whatever the complex question they will ask, you can solve it easily. Yes, sir. Is that the same angle now? Okay, sir. This becomes this. You can write it. Okay, sir. This is the whole pi. This is the x. Okay. We will solve. Okay. Then this becomes okay minus cos square theta. Cos square x, this becomes minus sin square x. This gives okay, so minus get cancelled. Minus into minus divided by minus is positive. This gives cot square x. Next question is okay. Sorry, friends. This is I will clarify in the next video. Okay, something is actually it's not possible, could not possible to show the sin pi by x. Okay, sir. Where should I represent the sin? Okay, sir. If it is x, then okay, sir. This is pi by 2 minus x I can do, but sir, okay, I am getting confused about where should I represent the pi minus x. In graph pi minus x, where should I represent the pi minus x? Okay, this is the value. Okay, this is whole value is given pi minus x. I can consider. Okay, whole value is pi minus x. But if I take on this curve, then where should I recognize the trigonometric functions? If I take on this value, where should I recognize the trigonometric function? Because for that we need right angle triangle. Yes, sir. Here it's not possible to make a right angle triangle. Okay. Pi minus x. This is the pi minus x. And what about the pi minus x? Okay. What the formula is for cos of pi minus x is equal to what you will get? Cos pi into cos x plus sin pi into sin x. What is the cos pi value? Okay, sir. Cos pi has minus 1. This is minus 1 into cos x. What is sin pi? Sin pi has 0. 0 into sin x. Sin x, okay, this becomes minus cos x plus 0. So what you will get? Cos of pi minus x gives minus cos x. What is that? Minus cos x. Okay. Here only you can define, okay, sir. Minus cos x is here from here. It gives only here only in this situation. Okay, because okay, if I take away this as a minus, okay, pi minus x. This if I taken pi minus x, then what is the cos is? Okay, cos is no, this is minus a, this is plus b. Okay, this is 1. So here you can write cos of pi minus x is equal to minus a becomes minus cos of x from this formula. Okay, but according to our okay, sir, this is the whole this is cos pi minus na, cos pi minus x na. Then why should I consider only this portion only? According to problem, I am getting minus a. Okay. See here also cos is positive. You can't take only I take it here or here. Okay. If I taken here, okay. If I taken here in third quadrant, okay. If I taken this is x, okay. This is x, this is x, and this is whole pi, okay. This is whole pi, okay. Here you can decide anything else. Whole is you can take na pi minus x here. Can we consider here pi minus x? If I consider, if this is x, if I taken that, if I taken this one again, this is minus b, this is minus a, again I can take this one. So cos of pi minus x is minus a, or just minus b. Okay. Okay, so if they can this side, this quadrant, the adjacent side minus b, this gives each one minus sin x. So this is not equal. This is not gives. So I have to take here only pi minus x. If it is x, so then I take this is x, but they have taken this is become pi by 2 minus x. Okay, sir. I will clarify in the next class, next video. Just remember, if we go through this formula, pi minus x becomes here. Okay, sir. But geographically, okay, graphically, geometrically, it could not possible to locate as of for me only, sir. Okay. If someone else have updated that advanced knowledge, please comment on the box and give the diagram also. Let us see, sir. Okay. Let us see the stuff reverse. See here, find the value of sin 1,230 degree and minus 315 degree. So sin you can write solution. Okay. Sin you can write. Okay, sir. 360 should write the multiple of 360. Okay. Instead of writing 360, 900, 360, 720 plus 360. You can write this one 720 plus 360. Okay. 360 into 3. 0, 18, 1, 9, 1, 10. Is it? Yes, sir. Plus, what is the remaining? 120, 1230 minus 1080. This gives 0. This gives 13 minus 8, 5. 13 minus 8, 5. This gives 1. This gives 0. 150. Is it, sir? It's 150. So this is it becomes sin. So pi plus, okay, 3 pi plus, okay, you can write 360. So this is the, okay, 1, okay. This gives sin of 150. What is sin of 150? Again, sin is, you can write 180 minus 30. Okay, sir. 180 minus 30 still is positive. This becomes sin 30 or minus 30. Sin 30. Okay, sir. Second quadrant, sin is positive. So this becomes 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Cot 315, we can write cot minus 315. cot minus 315 degree. This how can we write? 360 minus 75. What the angle? How to differentiate? Okay, how to make it easy? Okay, this you can write minus cos of 315. So this you can write cot of 360 minus 45. This you can write minus cot of, okay sir, all are positive na in which one, which quadrant? This is the 360 minus 45. Third quadrant, cos is positive, sin is negative. Okay sir, this gives this becomes, okay, we can write here as minus cot 45. So this becomes cot 45 is 1, tan 45. Yes, the next question is, okay friends, next question is, if cos alpha plus beta and sin alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 3 and plus and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13, where alpha and beta lies between 0 and pi by 4, then find the value of tan 2 alpha. Here we should remember first one, we should take the how alpha and beta makes. Okay, first condition they given of theta, the alpha angles are in between pi by 4. Okay, and 0 is between beta between pi by 4. Okay, the angles are between pi by 4, 0 and pi by 4. So for minus, what I will do? Okay sir, okay sir, 0, okay, minus 0 is 0. Okay, I am writing minus 0 is greater than beta is greater than minus pi by 4. This I can write, sir, minus pi by 4 is less than minus beta is less than 0. Minus 0 is equal to 0, whatever it may be. Okay, therefore, okay, alpha plus beta, okay sir, I am writing this is alpha na, 0 is less than which one? Alpha is less than pi by 4. Okay sir, this is the condition again, this is the condition na? Again I am adding g alpha plus 0 less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Yes sir, some mathematical operation, so I can tell 0 is less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 2. Relation. Similarly, okay sir, 0 is less than alpha less than pi by 4. Okay, what is it? Okay, minus, okay sir, 0 minus pi by 4 less than alpha, adding beta and corresponding beta's value less than pi by 4 minus 0. 0 minus pi by 4 gives minus pi by 4 less than alpha minus beta less than pi by 4, this pi by 4. Okay. If I answer this one, you can solve the question. Okay, take you in the books. Okay. This is the understanding, very important. So next, what they ask to prove what the value of tan, tan 2 alpha. what we want right now? We should find the remaining values. Is there? Next is, okay, I am writing this is an upper side. Okay. Okay. 0 is less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 2, and minus pi by 4 is less than alpha minus beta less than pi by 4. Okay, right now I am erasing it right now. Okay. Okay. I have, okay sir, see, for tan 2 theta, tan 2 alpha, I need tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta. Okay, this is the condition na? Okay, for this I need, okay, sin alpha by cos alpha, alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta divided by cos alpha minus beta. So what I am doing right now, cos alpha minus beta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin of alpha minus beta whole square. Yes, sir. Can write. So this is what is square root of 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. This gives 169 minus 25 by 13 square. This gives 144. Okay. 169 minus 25 gives 4. So 144 means 12 square by 13 square. This gives 4 by 13. Okay. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to 4 by 13. Similarly, let's check the, I should have 12 by 13. 12 by 13, 12 by 13. Okay. Similarly, sin, what do you want? Sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta, we can write is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square, okay, alpha plus beta. What is cos square? 1 minus 4 square by 5 square. This gives square root of 25 minus 16 divided by 5 square. 25 minus 16 is 9. I think so. 9 is 3 square by 5 square. This gives 3 by 5. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, let's check us that's also 3 by 5. Then we have the two values right now. Okay, what is tan alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus beta is equal to, what is sin? 3 by 5 plus, what is the cos is? Okay, sir. 4 by 5. 5 get cancelled, gives 3 by 4. Is it? Similarly, tan alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha minus beta divided by cos alpha minus beta. Sin alpha minus beta is 5 by 13 into, okay, I am writing that directly, 13 by 12. Okay, This gives 5 by 12. Okay, 3 by 4. Then tan 2 alpha. This is tan 2 alpha is equal to tan a plus alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. LCM is 12. 9 plus 5 divided by 12. This gives 40 by 12. This gives 7 by 6. Answer okay. Sorry sir, formula I have changed. Okay, this is the formula 1 minus, sorry for the confusion, plus into tan of alpha minus beta. Okay, this is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. This gives LCM is 4 12. Okay, 4 3 9 plus 5 by 12 whole divided by 1 minus 3 ones are 3 4s are 5 by 16. This gives 16 by 14 by 12. Okay, still 16 minus 5 means 11 by 16. So this gives 14 by 7 by 6 into 16 by 11. Okay, 7 into 8 by 3 is 3 8 is 33. This makes 56 by 33. Okay friends, sorry if data is wrong. Okay sir, I have done it. Okay, this is the 56 by 33 is the answer. Whenever see it happens, sorry for this formulation. Okay, I misinformed you about the tan 2 alpha as a different one. Another one important question is there. We will solve the question as a last question. This is the question. If cot alpha is 1 by 2 and alpha belongs to pi and 3 pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2, and sec beta is equal to minus pi by 3 and beta belongs to pi by 2 and pi, find the value of the tan, tan alpha plus beta, and tell alpha plus beta belongs to which quadrant. Okay, which quadrant to alpha and beta belongs to. This is first one is cot alpha is equal to 1 by 2 means implies tan alpha is equal to 2 and alpha belongs to pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay, second one is sec beta is equal to minus 5 by 3. This implies tan square is equal to tan square beta is equal to secant square beta minus 1. What is 25 by 9 minus 1? This becomes 25 minus 9 means 16 by 9. This gives 4. 4 by 3. Okay. Therefore, tan beta. Okay. Tan alpha is equal to 2 and tan beta is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, sir. Then tan of, okay, sir, tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, you know the formula, tan of alpha plus tan of beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Let's put the values. Okay, 2 plus 4 by 3. This gives 1 minus 2 in 1 minus 2 into 4 by 3. This gives 6 plus 6 plus 4, 10 by 3. And this gives 3 minus. Okay, or the what they given here. Okay, I should consider here. Okay, this is the minus because okay, sir, beta lies in the second quadrant. Beta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. Okay, so this is okay, and this becomes plus. Okay, this becomes okay 6 2 by 3 divided by okay, sir, 8 plus 3 11 by 3 get cancelled. This is 2 by 11. Okay, sir. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by 11. Consider here. Okay, sir. Be careful. Next step is important here. Here what they given. Okay. Here beta is the belongs to which one? Pi by 2 to pi. Okay, sir. Our motto is here, conclusion. Alpha plus beta belongs to which one? Okay. Alpha plus beta. Okay. So tan alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta we have 2 by 11. Is it? Okay, sir. Then we should find the okay, sir. Tan is positive here. Positive here in Archimedes rule. Either belongs to first quadrant or belongs to third quadrant. But let's take the condition. Alpha plus beta. Okay. Alpha plus beta is the total the okay, sir. This stands here. This is pi by 2 plus okay pi and pi to pi by 2. Okay, sir. This starts here, na? Somewhere is here angle. Pi by 2. Okay, I am taking this one. Considering pi plus pi by 2. Okay, sir. The lowest less than alpha plus beta less than okay, sir. This is okay pi plus 3 pi by 2. Somewhere else in between. Okay, students. This is the condition. This equals 3 pi by 2 and okay, sir. This you can write na alpha plus beta. Can write this is 5 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is 270 plus. You can tell what is 5 pi by. Yes, sir. 4 pi. This you can write. Okay. 3 pi by 2. This is the okay, fourth quadrant. I can tell you. Okay, alpha plus beta. Okay, this becomes okay, sir. This you can write 2 pi plus pi by 2. Yes, 4 pi plus 1. 2 pi plus pi by 2. Okay. This is the first quadrant. This is the third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. Obviously, sir, okay, sir. Value is in, okay, sir. Okay, sir. This is the 3 pi by 2 and the somewhere else. Okay, sir. This is the 2 pi. Okay. 2 pi plus pi by 2 you can write. Okay, sir. This is the quadrant. Okay, sir. Therefore, alpha plus beta belongs to first quadrant. Alpha plus beta belongs to first quadrant. Okay. Okay. If you want more clarification, you can write also this. Okay, sir. 6. Okay, sir. This you can write also 6 pi. Okay. Anyway. Okay, students. In this chapter, it seems to be I have some more confused over here. But anyway, I have tried to solve the quite okay, sir, complex questions which are not difficult to understand, because those who are quite advanced knowledge, some have the thinking ability. Okay, sir, by considering my mistakes, they can figure out the exact solution. Or okay, sir, this can give you a some okay. This is the usual. You at least okay, sir. My mistakes helps you to consider the question seriously. So this is the confusion chapter, and answer should be quite plus or minus, up and down. Go to count this. Okay, 2 to 3 questions. Okay, sir. This is the when are taking the considering the okay, sir, the quadrants and sines and okay, sir, allied angles. It gives some complexity almost all, because okay, sir, we need to work hard over here to get the more knowledge, to get the more accuracy over here. Anyway, anything mistakes is there, please comment on the comment box. Any steps are okay, sir. This might be a not killing exactly. Still the books they given. Okay, sir. This is 2 pi plus means okay, sir, plus pi by 2 means they given. You can write this one, but this pi by 2 goes to here. So this symbol is there, na? Okay. Sorry. This is the right. Okay. This is the case, sir. This symbol is important. Okay. Value is more than. Okay, sir. More than 3 pi by 2. Okay, sir. More than 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 less than, and 2 pi. Okay, sir. Plus pi by 2 less than. Okay, sir. This is the less than or equal to pi by 2. That's not sorry. This is value, and all these values are okay, sir. This is only all these values are less than pi by 2. I got it. Sorry, I got it. This is symbol is very important. Alpha is 2 pi. Less than 2 pi plus pi by 2. Less than pi by 2. Not equal to pi by 2. Okay, so I thought it's giving pi by 2 now, it crossing the pi by 2 line. Then why should you give? They give in the first quadrant. Okay, sir. This is not possible. Fourth quadrant, because cos or sine is negative here. So tan becomes negative. Sine is negative here. Tan becomes negative. That's why only third quadrant and first quadrant. Okay. This belongs to. Third quadrant is not belongs to, because okay, sir, this is the value is more than 3 pi by 2. Value is more than 3 pi by 2. Then obviously belongs to the first quadrant. Okay, students, I hope I corrected my error here. Okay, sir. Even though I given the correct objection, but it could not possible to explain it according to the equation. Sorry, great apology. Okay, sir. This is the conclusion of this chapter. Problem based on the sum and difference angle. That's you see the product angles. Okay, sir. Difference product angles. Converting the product into sum and difference and vice versa. Okay. I'm telling the whole trigonometry, especially the higher trigonometry for class 11 and class 12, inverse trigonometry function is a confusing topic. Work, okay, sir. And one thing I should here I have to tell you. It's getting late. Next class I will tell you. Okay students, thank you very much for watching. Please comment on the my mistakes or something errors in the comment box. Thank you for watching.